and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look. It's just a knotless braids with beads. I'm super excited for this video because I've been trying to encourage myself to do this style for a long time, but I was like real hesitant because I'm like, it's beads, you know, it's very kid-like, but no, it's super duper cute. Let me give you a 360. Yes, she's cute. We love her. We're living. Yeah, so stay tuned. Y'all, on this part, you'll just see me clipping my little frizzies off the ends. As much as you don't want to, please do this. It makes for a cleaner, more natural looking braids, and it just makes the braids look so nice and neat to perfection. Like, please do it. As much as you don't want to, just do it. Coming along. I didn't add the pieces of hair I'm adding, even though my parts are bigger. I'm adding very, very tiny pieces of hair to come off as a more natural looking type of braids. That's why they get thinner at the bottom. All right, this is how far I got, y'all. I did not get far. It just looked like I did because the front's almost done, but this is what I got done. Like, not far at all, but I'm sticking through, rolling with the punches, you know. I feel like it's gonna be a very promising hairstyle. I just can't wait to dip it and add the beads and do different styles. This is about how long it is, though. It's like this long. I intend to have it like here. So, but we'll see, because it's looking, I don't know, but I'm about to do this last braid up here. I'm about to part, literally like part this entire section, and then I'll be back. That was the end of the show. I just finished watching Bridgerton and like the second season. Why did it just end like that? Anyways, this is how far I got. Split the little top section to 4 sections, like 4 rows, because I'm kind of over it. And then I went like this part, I don't know, I feel like there were some areas where I got a little small, where I didn't have to get small. Like on this side, I feel like I got small. Maybe it's just in my head, but this is what it's looking like. Let me turn around. That is about how far I got. I guess I'm gonna just come back on the last braid. I might be in a different area. Okay, I'm at my last braid. But you see what I mean when I said like, I feel like I went too small, because these are small and these are like medium. But one more braid left. Here you will just see me dipping my ends. You absolutely do not have to do this. I just did it because I do not like having stiff braids. But the braids were so short, they still gave off a kind of like stiff type of vibe. Yeah. This is the mousse I'm using by Lotta. I haven't even like oiled my scalp yet, so it feels really weird putting this on. This right here, this is cute. This is real cute. It's giving. Not just playing, but I really like it. It's really cute. I cannot wait till the beads on, so I can just click, like click clack. Ooh, poke myself. Yeah, I'm gonna just put the beads on, come back, and then we'll get the styling. This is how far I've gotten. We're very uneven. This took forever, like I'm not even gonna lie. Not doing the hairstyle, but putting the beads on took me over an hour to do. I started at 10:10. It's 11:15. Like, literally took me forever. Thank you so much. If you made it to the end of this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends.